For Maitreya toes, try their bakes on mesh parts add-on. Enable the normal toe caps in the HUD and you're done. The white stockings can be tinted at will. Using the color picker, we can have unlimited colors. The stockings can also benefit from body skin materials. We can even create tinted copies in our inventory. We also have 3 opacity presets for black, each coming with plain or vaccine fabrics. Here we have 50% black with back seam and heel pad. Black presets can't get tinted, but they still benefit from body materials. This is 65% black with plain, seamless fabric. And here's 75% black with back seam and heel pads. Please note that the opacity of the band always stays the same regardless of preset. Another option is to wear more than one copy of the tights. Let's try it using 2 copies of the plain 50% black fabric. The fabric gets less transparent, with the lace getting more 3D depth. Thank you for watching.